I'm going to cook Ichigo Daifuku, strawberry Daifuku today. After you watch this video, you know how to make mochi in just 3 minutes. It's quick and easy. No rolling pin required. Be sure to give it a try. Let's get started. 1 cup of glutinous rice flour. Add 1/3 of a cup of sugar. Then mix them up. You can review all the ingredients at the end of the video. Add 3/4 of a cup of water and mix well. Glutinous flour is available in everyday supermarkets like Coles, Woolworths in Australia. This one I'm using is from Thailand. I wonder what kind of sweets the Thai people make from this product. If you have any recommendations using this flour, please let me know in the comments. Mix thoroughly to avoid any lumps. And then cover with plastic wrap loosely. Microwave it for 1.5 minutes. It's only half cooked. Mix it up. Ichigo Daifuku is nice and fresh. The juicy sweet and sour strawberries make sweet Daifuku a very refreshing dessert. I want you to try it, even if you're not a fan of Anko. Put the plastic wrap back and microwave it for 1 more minute. While the mochi is cooking, I wash and hulled the strawberries. Mochi and the bowl get very hot, so please be careful when you touch them. Mix the mochi. If your mochi is still powdery, microwave it for 1 more minute. As cooking time depends on the microwave, keep doing this until your mixture becomes nice and sticky. I won't recommend using a whisk as the mochi mixture will stick inside a whisk. I'm using a rubber spatula, but a wooden spoon will do the good job too. Mix it well, then move it to the plate with starch on it. I'm using tapioca starch, but you could use cornstarch as well. Dust the mochi with starch. And divide it in 9. Mochi is very hot, so be careful not to burn yourself. Make sure you dust your hands with starch as well, otherwise the mochi will stick on your hands. Let's wrap the Anko paste in mochi. Anko recipe is coming soon. Stay tuned. Flatten the mochi. Then put some Anko in it. I put about 2 tablespoons of Anko in the mochi. Pinch the corner of mochi and pull mochi gently, then press the other side of the mochi corner. As mochi is very sticky, they will stick together. When you put Anko in the mochi, they become a Daifuku. Shape the Daifuku nice and round. Ichigo Daifuku is a kind of new Japanese sweet. It originated in the late 1980s and it is an adaptation of the original Daifuku. Daifuku itself, without strawberries, originated in the Edo period, about 400 years ago. Nowadays, there are so many types of fruits Daifuku. However, Ichigo Daifuku is the oldest fruits Daifuku of all. In Japan, new desserts constantly emerged, but their popularity often fades quickly. However, the popularity of Ichigo Daifuku has endured for nearly 40 years. They are one of the most popular Japanese sweets. If you are a beginner, don't put too much Anko. Make sure the bottom of the mochi is also covered with starch. All Daifuku is ready. Let's add strawberries. Just cut the top of the Daifuku with scissors and put the strawberry in. That's it. Isn't it quick and easy? I've tried the whole strawberries covered with mochi version Daifuku before, and it took much more time. I like doing this way now. Without strawberries, the Daifuku could be freeze for a couple of weeks. Only the case you can keep them for later though. In my house, they're always eaten too quickly. My son wanted to eat just the mochi part, and they were pretty tasty with our Anko too. I want to create kinako mochi and matcha mochi using this easy mochi recipe. I'm also going to upload homemade matcha ice cream and mochi ice cream recipes soon. Please subscribe and check them out when I upload them. I hope to see you soon. Thank you. またね。